What? Ala? Tsaka ever. Wow, what's that?
Wow.
It's like a lake. Teka lang check ko lang yung...
It's a fish. Answer.
This is Boracay. Saan yung fish? There. Saan? Saan fish? Ay, may fish. Ayan na.
Mahal po.
Mahagot, mapasuod, dog. Ouch! Ouch ang arte.
Arte mo, lola mo. Malapasok.
Upod ako.
Hi kami. It's just too fast, you know.
Ay, may
But, okay then.
Yeah,
Di pa kami nakarigo. Ito na kami.
Astin, this is Boracay, this is us.
This is it. Walang urungan.
Bahala.
Bahala. Hindi ka ba?
Okay, let's stop.